Join me to explore the history and current railroad network in Essex County. It's here on Bob Jones Realtor. Today we take a walk around Via Rail's Windsor Terminal, a vital transportation hub connecting the residents in southwestern Ontario to the rest of Canada, located at 298 Walker Road. This passenger station serves as the western terminus of the Quebec City-Windsor Corridor. While I couldn't find exact figures for the yearly arrivals and departures, we can highlight its importance in the Via Rail network. Like and subscribe. It is free and helps these videos reach more people like you. I truly appreciate the help. On with the video. Did you know we once had a cross-border passenger rail service? The rail service used to exist but stopped some decades ago. A new proposal for cross-border passenger rail service between Chicago and Toronto, passing through Windsor, suggests potential growth. Officials estimate that 66,500 passengers would use the service annually, with 14,000 passengers starting or ending their trip in Windsor. This new proposal came closer to reality when Via Rail acquired permission to use the Michigan Central Railway Tunnel from Windsor to Detroit. While there is interest in reintroducing passenger rail service through the Michigan Central Tunnel, significant infrastructure, operational, and coordination challenges remain unresolved. That said, Via Rail has recently made significant strides in modernizing its train service in Windsor and the broader Quebec City-Windsor Corridor. On June 27, 2024, Via Rail introduced one of its newest train units in Windsor. By the end of 2024, 63% of the new generational trains will be operating in the Quebec City-Windsor Corridor. By summer 2025, all old trains, averaging about 77 years old, will be completely replaced with 32 modernized units. The new trains can reach speeds of 200 kilometers an hour and will travel approximately 320,000 kilometers annually. They offer improved ride quality, wider and more comfortable seats, wider aisles, and fully accessible features. The integration of these modern trains is seen as a boost to Windsor's growing economy and its status as an international gateway. This modernization is part of a $1.5 billion funding package announced in the 2018 federal budget, with Siemens Canada awarded a $989 million contract to manufacture the new trains. These developments signify a major upgrade in the rail service quality and connectivity for Windsor and the entire Quebec City-Windsor Corridor, with potential for international expansion in the near future. The Quebec City-Windsor Corridor, which includes this station, accounts for the majority of Via Rail's ridership. While not specific to Windsor, Via Rail carried approximately 3.3 million passengers in 2022, with 96% of these along the corridor routes, which includes Windsor. This suggests that the Windsor-Quebec City Corridor, including Windsor, remains a significant part of Via Rail's operations. Recent news includes Via Rail's ongoing efforts to modernize its fleet and improve service along the corridor. The company has been introducing new trains and enhancing its scheduling to better serve passengers, including those departing from and arriving in Windsor. It's worth noting that the station is equipped with electric vehicle charging stations, a part of Via Rail's commitment to sustainable transportation. So there you have it. Whether you're commuting for work, visiting family, or exploring Canada by rail, the Windsor Via Rail Terminal is your gateway to adventure and safe travels. Thanks for watching the second video in the Railways in Essex County series. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the content, and I'll do my best to accommodate. I thank and appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that button to help support the channel. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.